Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by stopping the bleeding. Force stop the app and clear its cache. This removes temporary corruption without losing your settings. Once done, restart the device to kill stuck processes and free RAM. This alone fixes many crashes. Make sure to check for both app and operating system updates. Compatibility patches often solve sudden closures. If the app still crashes after these steps, proceed to targeted troubleshooting that examines permissions and storage, because those next steps control runtime behavior. Now you go deeper. Inspect permissions. Deny or missing permissions can trigger shutdowns, so enable required ones like storage or background activity. Next, ensure sufficient storage. Free at least 10% by deleting or offloading large files because low disk space causes abrupt terminations. If permissions and storage look fine, reset app preferences or reinstall the app to replace corrupted files. This refreshes its installation state. Once reinstalled, open the app and watch logs or notification prompts. Finish by isolating external causes. Boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps cause the closure. If the app runs fine there, disable recently installed apps. If problems persist, create a clean user profile or temporary account to rule out profile corruption, then test again. And make sure to collect logs or screenshots. If you contact the developer, include step-by-step reproduction, device model, and OS version. Key troubleshooting tip: always test in safe mode first. It quickly tells you whether the issue is internal or from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.